Nowhere in the world will you ever see freshwater turtles gather in this type of numbers. This is a very unique event we're about to see, and it's a very unique species that we're seeing it with. My name is Lonnie McCaskill, curator at Prospect Park Zoo, and over the subsequent days, the number of turtles that are gathering here in mass numbers.
We're here at the Guaporé River, as it is called in Brazil, or Itenes, as it is called on the Bolivian side. My name is Germán Forero Medina. I am the Science and Conservation Director for WCS Colombia. This is the most important place for the nesting of the giant South American river turtle in the world. Over 60,000 females gather here to nest. So it's very important to monitor the population trends over time and also to assess the effectiveness of the conservation actions that the people are implementing here.
The importance of using drones to study this turtle population here on the river is we're able to look at the turtles, collect data, observe their behavior without any impact to the turtles. Down to 100.
The mass nesting of the turtles is a very important event for the ecosystem, as it is an essential part of the food chain. So it's an incredible sight and is an amazing event.